Today, I'm going to show you how to create an interactive notebook for Mr. Scales' 7th grade social studies class. The notebook, interactive notebook, can be created in a composition, as you see here, or in a one-subject notebook. This is for the best results, as these type of notebooks are easy to carry and also don't have a lot of bulky pages. Now, for today's demonstration, we're going to use the composition notebook that this student has done. So let's begin. When you open up an interactive notebook, the very first section is called the table of contents, henceforth known as the T of C. In the table of contents, or T of C, students will have that day's activity followed by the date, and then the corresponding page number. This is L11. Now, on that L11, which stands for left or right, shows how many pages the student has skipped in order to create a gap for the table of contents. Now, let's skip those 10 pages. And you'll come to what is called the R right page and the right side. The right side page stands for the content page. Now, on the content page, you will see all types of class notes, handouts, and such. Anything that's done in class will be on the right side page. On the left side page, the left side page doubles up for two functions. The first, the left side, can be used for your APK, or Activating Prior Knowledge. This student used a journal topic. It can also be used for bell ringers and warm-ups. And at the end of class, you can use it for summative activities to make sure that students understood the lesson. So, what happens if a student wants to need more paper? Now, if they need more paper, and this student did their vocabulary, as you see, all she simply did was what is called extend the page. All the information needs to stay on one page, or the page number that you chose it for. And so this is what is called extend the page. Simply, she used clear tape and folded it so it would appear to be one long page, and all she did was clear tape at the bottom. So you can still have access on the bottom side of the page. See, everything is nice and neat. If you want to add other information, and we'll go ahead and show you another example, this handout for this particular day, she still has her page number at the bottom right. And you also see that she used the top seam right here of that worksheet and did a simple hamburger fold to keep it in. Now, if she folds it this way, all her information is still ready to be read. And if she folds it back this way, you can still see she can read and have access to all the information. And the worksheet is bound clearly to the notebook. All nice and neat. The object of the interactive notebook is for students to be able to keep notes that will allow them to keep all the information together, getting them ready for college level work. The interactive notebook also allows for parents and administrators to see what is being done on a daily basis. And if students are doing what they're supposed to do, you will clearly see at the beginning of the TLC that these individuals have been doing it, and you can clearly go to that particular page number and see their work. That way, there's no questions about what they've been doing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this mini lesson.